Reduction of electric field by polarization. The dielectric is placed between the plates of the capacitor. So we see that these charges are in pair, like this positive will cancel this negative will negative, and this positive negative. So the overall effect is that negative charges appear on the left side and the positive charges appear on the right side. So net electric field due to polarization is right to left. Applied electric field was left to right. So overall the net electric field is this much. As you see, this small line with the arrow is shown, showing that the electric field in net electric field inside the dielectric is reduced. It is less than the applied electric field E naught. So the magnitude of electric field inside the dielectric is E naught minus EP. The dielectric constant can be given as E naught upon A. Finally, we get E naught upon E naught minus EP. Now there are some definitions related to it, like polarization density. Like this dipole moment of dielectric upon volume of the dielectric, so QP into D. QP is the charge induced on the one side of the dielectric, and then this one is the value of QP upon A, and this is the charge upon area, so we can say this is the charge density. Similarly, there is one more term related to dielectric polarization, that is the electric susceptibility. What we find that P is directly proportional to the reduced value of electric field, and P is equal to epsilon naught F, and this one is chi epsilon naught chi E. So chi can be written as P upon epsilon naught E. And there is one relation between dielectric constant and electric susceptibility. And how can we find it? Like E is equal to E minus EP. EP is sigma P upon epsilon naught, P upon epsilon naught. That we have shown it. So finally we get E is equal to E naught P upon epsilon naught chi E upon epsilon naught. If we divide both sides by E, we get 1 is equal to E naught upon E minus chi, and E naught upon E is K. So finally the relation is K is equal to 1 upon chi. There is one more term related to this polarization, dielectric strength. This is the maximum electric field that can exist in the dielectric without causing the breakdown of its insulating property, and that is called dielectric strength of the material. The SI unit is of dielectric strength is volt per meter, but more common practical unit is kilovolt per millimeter. Try to understand dielectric strength. As you have seen that electric field induces the charges in the dielectric. The tiny dipoles are stressed, positive charge in the direction of electric field and negative charge opposite. So when the applied electric field keeps on increasing, so ultimately a situation will arise that they will get separated, and there is a large number of free charges. So the dielectric, or you can say insulator, becomes